Ladies and gentlemen, leadership isn't just about authority or position, it's about influence. True leaders don't just manage people, they inspire them. They ignite passion, align actions with purpose, and guide others towards a shared vision. Today, I want to talk about leading with purpose and how it can inspire others to not just follow, but to believe, contribute, and grow. What does it mean to lead with purpose? Leading with purpose means having clarity about why you lead and aligning your actions with that why. It's about being driven by a vision greater than yourself, a vision that resonates deeply with others. Purposeful leadership is about making people feel part of something meaningful, something bigger. It's about saying, here's where we are going, here's why it matters, and I believe we can achieve it together. Why purposeful leadership matters? It creates connection. When you lead with purpose, people don't just see your tasks or goals, they see meaning. They understand the why behind their efforts, which fuels deeper engagement and commitment. It drives resilience. Purpose sustains people during tough times. When challenges arise, it reminds them of what they are working toward and why it's worth fighting for. It inspires action. Purposeful leaders inspire others to dream bigger, work harder, and push boundaries. They instill confidence that every individual has the power to make a difference. It builds legacy. Leadership based on purpose leaves a lasting impact. It's not just about achieving results, it's about empowering others to carry the vision forward. The power of vision in leadership. A leader's vision is like a lighthouse. It guides, inspires, and provides direction. But the vision on its own isn't enough. It must be clear, people need to understand it, compelling, it should excite and inspire, inclusive, everyone should feel like they have a role in achieving it, actionable, it should be backed by steps that move the team toward success. Examples of purposeful leaders: Martin Luther King Jr. His vision of equality and justice wasn't just a dream, it was a purpose that mobilized millions. His famous words, I have a dream, continue to inspire generations. Mahatma Gandhi. Through his unwavering purpose of nonviolence and freedom, Gandhi led an entire nation to independence, proving that purpose and vision can conquer even the greatest challenges. Elon Musk, with a vision to make humanity multiplanetary, Musk inspires teams to innovate, persevere, and achieve what once seemed impossible. How to lead with purpose? Start with your why. Ask yourself, why do I lead? What is the bigger purpose behind what I'm doing? When your leadership is rooted in a clear purpose, it becomes authentic and inspiring. Communicate your vision clearly. Paint a picture of the future that others can see, believe in, and feel excited about. Make it vivid and relatable so that people can see themselves as part of it. Empower others. Purposeful leaders recognize that leadership isn't about control, it's about empowering others. Encourage your team to take ownership and contribute their unique strengths toward the shared vision. Lead by example. Your actions should align with your purpose and vision. People follow leaders they trust, and trust is built through consistency and integrity. Stay resilient and adaptable. Purposeful leadership isn't always easy. Challenges will arise and setbacks will test your resolve. Stay grounded in your purpose and adapt your approach as needed without losing sight of the vision. Celebrate wins along the way. Recognize and celebrate progress. Acknowledge the contributions of your team and remind them how their efforts align with the larger purpose. The ripple effect of purposeful leadership. When you lead with purpose, you don't just achieve goals, you inspire transformation. You ignite passion in others, empowering them to rise to their potential. Purposeful leadership creates ripples. It inspires individuals to become leaders in their own right. It fosters a culture of meaning, motivation, and collaboration. It leaves a lasting legacy of impact. As we close, I want to leave you with this thought. Leadership isn't about being the best, it's about bringing out the best in others. Your purpose as a leader is not just to achieve results, but to inspire belief, foster growth, and create a shared journey towards something extraordinary. So ask yourself today, what is my purpose as a leader? How can I inspire others through my vision? Because when you lead with purpose, you don't just lead, you transform. Thank you.